Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Tofail Khan Yusufzai. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to calculate overtime in Microsoft Excel. Let's start. As you can see, we have a list of 12 employees here. Every employee's time in and time out has been recorded. What we have to do is to calculate the total working hours of each and every employee. And once we are done with that, we will calculate overtime of all employees as well. At the end, we will calculate total overtime hours also. So let us first calculate total working hours of the first employee. It's a simple subtraction formula where we have to subtract time in from the time out. Click here, minus, click in the cell where time in is listed, execute the formula. We don't need this AM here. So in order to remove this, there are two methods basically. You have to change the format of this cell, and format of this cell can be changed by using one of the two methods. The first method is to right click on that cell and to go to the format cells. Here you have to select this format, click OK. The second method is to click on the home tab, and then in the number group you can click here, and from this window it is also possible to change the cell format. Anyhow, we have calculated the total working hours of the first employee. Let us copy this formula. Okay. Now we are in a position to calculate overtime. In order to calculate overtime, let us take the total working hours of the first employee minus. I'm going to use a built-in function of Microsoft Excel time. Double click. Look at the arguments of this function. This function works with 3 arguments and all of them are required. None of them is optional. The first argument is R, and I'm going to write 8 here. The second argument is minute. Let me write 0 here. The third argument is second. I'm going to write 0 here. Why have I written 800 here? It is because of the fact that in most of the organization, the working hours are 8. So if we are going to calculate overtime, we have to subtract 8 from the total working hours of the employee. In the first case, the employee's total working hours are 9 hours and 30 minutes. So let us subtract 8 from 9:30 and the result will be overtime. In order to calculate overtime for the rest of the employees, let us copy this formula. Okay, we are done. Overtime for each and every employee has been calculated. Now let us calculate the total overtime hours, and for that you can use either a sum function or you can use auto sum also. Put equal sign, click on the home tab. In the editing group, click on auto sum. Execute the formula. The answer doesn't seem correct and you can cross check it from here. Select this range where overtime of each and every employee is listed, and on the status bar you can see that sum of all these values is 34 hours and 40 minutes, while in our case it is 10 hours and 40 minutes. The problem is with the format of the cell. Right click, click on format cells, and here you have to select a cell format, right? There is a cell format, this one. Right click OK, and now you can see that the accurate total overtime hours has been calculated. Thanks for watching this video.